Today I show how you can use custom texture for eye from Lens Studio, and we make something like this. Open Lens Studio, create new project. I use Lens Studio version 4.551. I want to change video, something like this. This is better for our project. Next, go Asset Library, and we need pack name eyeballs. Import, close this object we drag down for camera like this. For this and this object I recommend it off. We use only this and this object for left and right eye. Okay, next, if we select our object, we see material what used here. We can select here and we see what texture we use here. Yes, we can select this texture. Now right button, export, for example desktop, and now we have template for texture where we can use. For example, we open this in Photoshop. Next we go to Google and take a texture, something for like this, for example. Okay, add in Photoshop, and we need to crop this texture for this template, something like this, I think. Yes. Okay, now I want to use ellipse. I want to make circle just for crop our texture. Select, copy, paste. Okay, now we have clean texture for eyeball. And next I recommended select this, and we use this, yes, and I think maybe 10. Now select in inverse and delete backspace for this object, something like this. Yes, it's more smooth border and better for our project. Okay, save as PNG 01. Okay, open Lens Studio, choose our material, plus here, import file, and check our texture, new texture. Okay, we have PNG texture. We need change blend mode some normal, and we can play for setting, for example like metallic or roughness, what you'd like. If you want to make for opacity, change something, you can use this parameter, and you see when these change. Okay, it's looked like not bad. You can use what you want. You can make something in Photoshop, but now I want to show how we can use something like dynamic. For example, we have this footage for YouTube. You can use something like this. Okay, now I want to download this. Click here, download. Okay, drag desktop, open Adobe After Effects, new composition, 512, 24 frame is okay. Drag our texture and crop for our frame, yes, like this. Now drag our footage. We need to crop this for our texture. Click here and transform. We need to make opacity something like this. When I want to see what we do, we crop this something like this. I want to see. Okay, not bad, not bad. I like this. I think something here, and I want to change something like this. Yes, good. Okay, close here. I want to make footage something like 2 seconds, not more. I think this is enough. Next, we need to do like this. Put in here. Okay, copy these layers, drag here, for last frame. Next we drag something like 1 second. Okay, and open first layer, transform. We need to make 100 here, click frame, and last frame 0 for opacity. Okay, now we need to make new solid, black, drag down, and now we can see our footage. We have smooth transition, but we forgot we need for second layers make opacity for 100 for all layers. Okay, and now we can see when our cut is very smooth. Okay, next go to File, Export, Add to Render, Lossless, JPEG Sequence. Okay, Output 2, very important, you need to make this for 1, 2, 3 value. Save, render. Okay, we see what we have. We have our frame. We can see how much size, 500 kilobyte. It is cool. Okay, next open lens, plus here texture, 2D animation, and choose all our texture. Open. We have 48 frames. We need to check it here. Now okay, and this in our animation we see how it's work. Very faster. I recommended duration make 2. Yes, it's better. Okay, next go for our material and change texture for our animation sequence. I put for here. Yes. Okay, and now we have black background. They need make blend mode something like screen, for example, or max. Okay, you can use this parameter. If you want to more lights, for example, you can use lighting environment map and make more lights, for example, like this. You can play through this parameter, and setting you can use something like ambient, for example. It's looking more better. Okay, now you know how you can change and use texture. If you have some question, you can ask me in comments. I hope that this project help you for future for your best project. Good luck and have a nice day.